back to Young Chef Day. Today I am gonna show you how to make a recipe from around the world, Turkish Burgol. We will need some Burgol. Dry Burgol looks like this. What I have done to the Burgol is washed and left dry. Burgol is a cereal found from the ground, washed and dried and produced to us. But the difference between cracked wheat is wheat that is finely broken into pieces. Then we will need finely chopped capsicum or bell peppers, finely chopped onions, chopped tomatoes and some coriander and a spoon of salt and pepper. The pan is heated and the oil is boiled. Now it's time to add the onions. After adding the onions, you should let it boil until it gets a golden color. Added the capsicum and we have to mix it. Now let's add some tomatoes. After adding tomatoes, we need to add some salt and pepper. And then mix. Now let me close it with a lid and let it boil. While the tomatoes are getting boiled, let's solve the cube. Done. Let's check how the tomatoes are. The tomatoes are boiled, so now I'm gonna mash them. Now it is ready for the burgol to be added. I'm adding butter and now we need to mix it. For 1 cup of burgol, we need to add 3 cups of water. And then we have to mix. The aroma smells good. Give it a good mix. And minimum leave it there with a lid for 10 minutes. Now the burgol is cooked. It's full of natural tastes and goodness. It took minimum of 10 to 15 minutes. And if you're pressure cooking it, it will take around 3 to 4 whistles. Now it is tasting time. My favorite time, it's tasting time. Good. It is filled with natural aroma. The tomato, capsicum, pepper that we add made it even more better and it tastes very good. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my Facebook page and turn the notification bell on so that you get all the notifications of the new videos. Don't forget to try it, like it and share